Good morning, everyone. So I'm gonna tackle about digital X-ray. Digital X-ray systems in dentistry comes in several types, each with unique features and price points. So first of all is intraoral digital X-rays. Uses is captures the detailed images of individual teeth and gums, and the advantages is fast, low radiation, and easy to store and share images. And second is panoramic digital X-ray. So this uses is provides a broad view of the entire mouth, useful for detecting bone issues and impacted teeth. And the advantages is wide field of view and non-invasive. The third is bone beam or CT. So it uses 3D imaging for complex procedures like implants. And the advantages is high precision, 3D views, ideal for complex cases. And fourth, occlusal digital X-rays. Uses is shows bite and alignment of teeth. And the advantages is affordable, good for basic diagnostic purposes. And last of all is cephalometric X-rays. So its uses is essential for orthodontics to assess jaw structure and alignment. And its advantages is accurate for orthodontic planning. And and intraoral digital X-ray is likely the most reasonably priced and commonly used in general dentistry, offering great value for routine diagnostics with clear images and minimal radiation.